Morning all. You may notice there's something missing from behind me. There's also something missing from behind me there too. What's going on? Let's see if we can find the truck. Oh, I think I see it. Well, there's my truck, and there's Bugsy. So that can mean only one thing. It's safety day. Let's go. Right, I'm going to be far too stressed towing to be bothered about filming this, okay? I like to completely focus. I'm not keen on trailering. I don't mind like flatbeds, but trailering, and it's kind of snowing, so 100% focus on the drive. I'll give you a shout when we get there. See you in a minute. Right folks, we made it safely. I'm shaking, this is terrifying. Right, let's get Bugsy off the back of the trailer. Right guys, safety's done. It passed. Bugsy is legal for the road. Just need to get plates and the yearly sticker and we can go for our first test drive. I'm far too hyper, I need to go and chill for a bit. Take a leisurely drive home and see you when we get there. Right, made it home. Let's get Bugsy off the trailer and I'll talk you through what happened. U-Haul trailer's awesome, by the way, it's idiot proof. Join me for my little drive into the driveway. Whew. That was so stressful, guys. Still going for that outside door handle. Right, let me walk round the car and I'll show you what required a bit of attention, but nothing major. So first off, obviously, bumpers. We cobbled up some bars and just bolted them to the frame. So that wasn't an issue. They didn't have to look pretty, they just had to be there. So that's that. Inside, remember you guys made me make that partition. He said that was a good plan because that was required. He was fine with the body, it's all solid and not flopping about. Brakes were good, and to be honest, the underside he thought was really good. He was pleased with that. There was no rust, obviously, because you know it was a frame off job. What can I remember? There's a couple of brake pipes. You know the brake pipes the solid brake pipes that go into the flex hose? He says just add a clip on each side just to tie it to the side of the frame. Not a fail, but you know, he says over time they can break if they're not secured on. He didn't even laugh at my tiny radiator, which was nice of him. But overall, no, I thought it was pretty good. I'm really pleased. What can I say? Oh, I tell you what I can say. Something that shocked me at the end. So, end of the test comes round and he brings out a trade plate and puts it on the back of the car. And I'm like, what are you doing? He says, oh, got to take it for a drive. I'm like, okay, you do realise I've never driven this car other than onto the trailer. I don't know if it overheats, I don't know if it goes in a straight line. And he's like, only one way to find out, jump in. I was like, oh no. So he drove it, I sat in the passenger seat, reaching for my seatbelt, which obviously isn't there. Completely terrified, because it's like, well, to be fair, he did a whole examination of the underside and the suspension and the brakes, had the wheels off, had the hubs off, checked the drums, checked the thickness, everything. So it was a legit actual test. I watched them do it, so went for the drive, terrified, but it drove. It was like a car. It was just really strange. He said he actually really likes the brakes, so thanks Ted for that booster setup. It works really good. Well, he likes it. And the only thing is it didn't shift into third. It went 1, 2, and then it sat about in second gear. So I don't know if there's something I need to adjust with the modulator, but hey, I can work in that now. If I just do something, drive it around the block, do something else, drive it around the block, we'll get there eventually. But it didn't die on the middle of the road, it didn't belch smoke, it didn't leak anything. And it stopped and we got home safely. I'm kind of in shock, guys. I mean, I was hoping it would pass, but you never expect a pass. And this is the first car I've ever built from start to finish, so it's a bit of an achievement for me, shall we say. And relax. So I need to take the U-Haul trailer back to its owners, and then I can come home, chill out, and then think about getting number plates and a sticker for this car. And then we're going for our first drive, guys. Might be tomorrow, maybe Friday, payday Friday, so that's probably the best time. And the weather's looking better the next couple of days. So happy. And as usual, thanks to everyone who helped. All the offers of advice, all the offers of physical help, and all the huge offers of gifts, monetary donations, parts. Couldn't have done without you. So a heartfelt thank you to everyone who is supporting me on my channel. And if you would like to subscribe and see what's coming next, please do so. I appreciate your support. Okay, that's it for today. Super excited. I hope you're happy with the result, because I certainly am. Right, wait for a wee coffee, a wee sit down. No, I'm not, I'm away to take a trailer away. My head's scattered. Alright, see you in the next one. Won't be long. Don't miss it. Bye bye.